Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a pretty rare aircraft. Now I was super fortunate actually with this purchase. I managed to get it for only £20, and a British Airways A320 with the fence tips are very rare. Now you will be able to see from the box this is a very old release by GeminiJets, but you know, I think some of the older GeminiJets models really aren't that bad. You know, they only really lack the rolling landing gear and antennas, which isn't exactly the end of the world. So yeah, as you'll see on the back, this model's from 2006. So yeah, this is gonna be an interesting one. Okay, now this is interesting. There is a reason why this model only costs £20. However, this was not part of it. I didn't realise there was not a top part of the plastic, so I guess I can just access the model from the top. I don't even need to take it out the slide out. Okay, and okay, so there is an issue with this model, but this was not the issue I was expecting. This is actually kind of gutting. The engine has broken off. I'm really hoping I'll be able to fix that with some super glue, although I don't actually have any access to any at the moment. But I will quickly go over what the problem is. I don't know if you can see there, the end of that wing has broken off and been repaired, and they've actually done a relatively good job at repairing it, I would say. You know, it seems to fit pretty well. Just in comparison with the other wing, it seems to have done a pretty good job, which is why, you know, I was fully prepared to go ahead and buy this. I got this for £20, which for a 1/400 scale model nowadays, even an A320, that's insane. But yeah, a little bit annoyed about the engine, but what can you do? Taking a closer look now at the complete side of the aircraft, the one with the engine actually attached. See at the front we have the cockpit windows, and then the British Airways titles underneath the windows. You see the blue underbelly of the aircraft and engines. Now you will notice this particular mold is old enough to not include the antennas. This doesn't really bother me. Now here, just looking at the wings, you can see this is obviously the fence tip version of the A320, which are much harder to find for British Airways than the winglet version. See at the back you have the Royal Mail logo followed by the registrations GBUSG, and then of course the Chatham Dock Yacht tail. So that is all for this video, just a quick one going through the aircraft. It's one I'm really happy to have, and despite the broken engine, which I'm pretty sure I can fix, I'm really happy for it given it was only £20. So to be honest, I would have taken anything that arrived. Again, apologies, there are going to be some droughts of videos. This is just whilst I'm at school. Obviously it's really hard to make videos whilst I'm at school, and you know, I don't have access to any of my airports or anything, and I can only pre-record so many before I run out of motivation. So it's just about kind of finding the balance for me. But anyways, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.